YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Did you miss me?
Barely.
My bad about the break. I just I ain't gonna front, I ain't had no content. I think like last week it was either cold or raining. I ain't cop nothing. I ain't really want to go nowhere. I just wanted to chill. This week I ain't cop nothing. The phones dropped. We're definitely gonna talk about that in this video, but today I'm just gonna shit, let's go. I'm bored. Let me go get disappointed at Nike. Let's see what they got out there. I saw somebody had copped something, but even though it wasn't from that Nike, but I have seen this certain sneaker that is on sale at Snipes, but only 30% off, and I'm like, nah, I want to see if they got it at Nike yet and see if I can get a good deal on that. Scent of the day, bam. New Harlem, you know what I'm saying? Sexy pancakes. Yeah, definitely got that joint. Yeah. I actually rocked this joint a whole week and definitely did get my my compliment from my go-to compliment. Never ask on them. But anyway, man, F all that. Nice rainy day, man. I wish I had my damn adapter so I could listen to some music, man. A day like this, Return of the Mac, definitely jam. But anyway, man, let's roll. Out.
Counting money, I need more fingers. Fucking broke R&B niggas is playing for the Knicks. Damn poor singers, it's raw English. Ghetto ebonics, I promise you we breaking promises. If ever we promise, I promise we hiding from police. If ever we hiding, school of hard knocks, we never seen college. Forever be honest, them niggas hating on you. They'll text you the emoji with the prayer hands. They ain't even praying for you. I'm just saying, you scared to say it, I say it for you. They call you crazy until you make it and say it's normal. But life ain't fair. I feel it when you lose something, go to the lost and found and it ain't there. Still living single like Regine and St. Clair. I'm the only nigga on Scared Straight that ain't scared. Double up on Rilla. I hated playing tag as a youngin'. Fuck I look like running from a nigga. Shit, I work on demand, I work in advance. I listen, you work for a man that work for the man. You trippin', put on my thinking cap and started capping. Them niggas funny style, but I ain't laughing. Hip hop's adapting. We in the era where niggas say I ain't a rapper while they rapping. My son and my niece, my only friends. I'm feeling myself, might slide in my own DM. And it's a money hungry religion. Listen, they say love is blind, as if the hater give you 20/20 vision. My nigga Cal back in my life, cake in my hand like Ike Turner smacking his wife. I take him all the way to the left, then back to the right, then it's straight to the cup like half of a pint. That was a vice. Mob deep and cause havoc. It's better y'all behave. Been a prodigy. Now I'm sick of selling y'all the wave. Ever saw a slave letting off his rage that it lost in cage? I perform. You ain't spend a second on the stage. Engage. Telling niggas you busy, I get busy. You asked to visit your son. My son lived with me. The best raised to climb me.
Fresh up out of there. No surprise. They did have some the pandas. I was thinking about getting them joints for Baby Wave, but I got enough 4Cs. Pause if you have to on any of the sizes that I talk about. I got enough of those for him, and I don't want to just keep getting the same, you know, and then you know, grows the hell up out of them joints. Then they did have a 11C again. Pause if you have to on the size on the pandas, but Lil Wave. Enough of them joints. Enough of that that numerical order. Yeah, so I said nah. Now, did I see anything? Nah, I ain't see the joints that I was looking for. Them dunks, you know, I like, oh snap, I look, you know. Gear wise, yo, that Jordan jersey in FUBU, in the FUBU colorway, it was 80. If it would have been like a little bit more of a sale, but you know what I'm saying, I believe the sales are gonna be coming up soon. Yeah, I would check that, because you know me, them Jordan 9 FUBUs, I definitely want them joints. I gotta have them. It's nostalgic. I said, if y'all didn't remember the last video, I said I used to have a poster of it. Well, not a poster, just a cutout picture from like Sports Illustrated, whatever. MJ was chilling, had them UNC joints on, and you know, like, yeah, I just got a cop just cause. But yeah, as far as like UNC, you know, I don't really, you know, rock with them like that. But since we out here, we're gonna check out JD Sports, see what's up in that joint. I want to kind of see what New Balances they got, because I'm still kind of thinking about that one pair. I need a discount. Word. Anyway, see.
Let bygones be bygones. 4-5 fire like Dylon. If the shoe fit, this ain't the one to try on. Duke, you be running out them kicks like Zion. I hustled on the strip, niggas die on. Fucking on a bitch, niggas eye on. Taking business trips with no tie on. From the same street, dumping dimes, dubs, and now my niggas rolling 30s like I'm Davies. Labels ain't wanna touch them. Now I'm bubbling like turkey bacon in the oven. I mean, buzzing like my older blood cousin. On his second six like a dozen. See more cake, stack bundles, I can see your face. Rest in peace, Pop Smoke, niggas D or fake. At the table and I see y'all plates. Ain't nothing on them. No biggie, it's a fucking warning. Hey, that thunder, know it's fucking storming. No, I ain't no killer bee, but we be fucking swarming. And these hoes ain't got nothing on them. I'm a pimp, you should see how I be nutting on them. God, son like Big Fred. Pull up in the Cullinan, same color as Big Red. See y'all out here struggling, see me smothered with big bread. While y'all out here cuddling chicks that's kissing my dickhead. Dickhead, pay attention. Put that bread on a pension. All I see is red, know you dead for redemption. Yeah, you come at Fred for attention, I'll be at your neck like I lynched him. Holla at your boy.
Let's go, Fred. I murder lyrics. I got a phone with 3,500 verses in it. Flow dirty like it got a lot of curses in it. I open surgery to body like a surgeon did it. Under 30 minutes, not under 30 minutes, but under 30 minutes. Soon as the verse is finished, they'll have to take you to a chapel. He won't get the liberty for playing with the statue.
A way better selection. Matter of fact, better deals. Seen a pair of Air Max joints for what was it, like $60? Hey, those 2002 R's though, that color, that like bluish colorway, them joints are alright. 200, but yeah, them joints are alright. Was it 200? What was I looking at? No, those were the 990 joints. Those were 200. Yo, them joints clean too. But yeah, New Balance tough. I didn't see those ones, that fuchsia and purple that I've been seeing. I'm gonna try. I wanted to go down to the city this weekend, but shit, it's raining. Tomorrow's supposed to be 60 something. I don't know. Could be a maybe. I am kind of eyeing those, but then I'm in my other mode, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really want to force a cop, you know? I don't even know what's the next joint. Oh yeah, the UNC's. But anyway, yeah, I really don't want to force a cop. Let's talk about gear though. Hey, they had some joints. I see they got them woven joints, them above the knee shorts. Yeah. And I know if this is your first time watching, I know y'all like, stick in New York, what are you worried about shorts for? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I am. But damn, them purple joints, I just gotta see, because I don't know where my purple Nike woven joints are, but they might be in DR. Safe, but they might be there. But if not, I wouldn't mind getting those joints again. They had that green colorway though. If I got those, I would definitely break out my I would possibly break out them the Jordan 1, those the pine green joints. Possibly. Well, yeah, obviously if I did have those, because that's the only green I got. Yeah. And what else did they have? I do need another red pair. I need a fresh red pair, because with those, you keep putting your hands in your pockets and stuff like that, it does start getting dirty, like around like the seams and shit. It don't matter if you clean, they know, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if I can get a deal on them, I'll definitely cop two. But yo, another thing, and I might have to holler, because I was looking at JD Sports had this Air Max fit that I wanted with the structures, and I do believe they're on sale right now. I'm gonna have to see and possibly see if I could get like a real low-key deal on them joints, and that would be my next airplane fit. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, those Air Max fits that they had up in there, the neon, I would definitely cop them joints. Yeah, them joints is nice. But you know me, like, I like to get joints on sale, man. You know, like, cause I know me, I probably won't even rock. I got a joint that I used to hoot and holler for back in, shit, that joint probably older than my son, and I still ain't rocked that joint yet. You know what I'm saying? I have the vision and everything like Coleco, but I still ain't rocked that joint yet. You know what I'm saying? But hell yeah. But anyway, man, get to the crib, man. That nicey ass day. I was thinking about getting something to eat, but I don't know. I do kind of want something sweet, pause if you have to, but we're doing kind of doing well. You know what I'm saying? Been doing well for myself. But anyway, man, let me go try to see if I can salvage it on foot in this badass weather. Get to the crib, and we're gonna have a discussion. Foamposites won. Foams won this this past week. Foams definitely won, man. Salute. I'm all for it. Word up, but we'll talk about it. How the hell did these sell out? No, I did not cop these. Actually, the 2017 model. These are the only eggplants. Pause if you have to. If I use that terminology, that I have not copped yet. Got a little baby wave here, but yeah, these are this year's the only ones that I haven't copped yet. But they did sell out. They definitely did sell out, and I was hype about that. The reason why I didn't cop, I just saw with the lack of availability, I didn't think I really had a chance. I could have copped. I could have though. I could have got a guaranteed pair, but then I was like, you know, I'd rather pay for. I'm showing these like they're new, but anyway, I'd rather get my 10% discount. You know what I'm saying? Like that's for real. Why did these sell out? No, I'm hyped that they sold out. I'm glad that they did better than the Jordans. And I know people go, oh, well, the Jordans are those mass produced, you know, boom, boom, boom. Cool. The reason why they sold out because they wasn't mass produced. You did have a full size run though. Not many stores really had them. I seen S&S, Extra Butter. I know Sneaker Room in Jersey had them. Foot Locker, no. The Sneakers app had them. But this is what happened. I kind of like lost track of time. And anyway, 10 minutes into the drop, my size was gone, and I was hyped. I was glad because foams, you know, they're not popular. You're probably not gonna get any props by dudes at the sneaker convention or anything like that. Yeah, but I like what they're doing. Just like when they drop the anthracite at a limited amount, and they gonna go. And the fact that they had a full family run, definitely hit it out the park, and that was all good. I do like how they dropped though. I ain't gonna front. Hell nah. You know what I'm saying? Don't oversaturate the market, and then people, oh, see, I told you they were there. Yeah, cool. They're not popular. Who get out of here? You know what I'm saying? And there's no big room for a markup on upsell. Cool. You know, whoever got them, man, salute. If I could have got them for retail, plus my 10%, yeah, I probably would, and I might still go after that. But I do believe that they're gonna drop again. Look at the anthracites. Now all of a sudden they starting to trickle out here and there. I've seen them a couple times out in stores. I'm not giving up on the fact that this is gonna be the only drop. I don't believe so. I'm not saying not if they really wanna bring foams to the forefront again, but not if they wanna keep doing some good rollouts. They're not gonna be that limited. Nah, I don't think so. So yeah, the next foam to drop, if I'm not mistaken, well, the next foam on my radar to drop is the Royals. Yeah, and I'll definitely go after those, like heavy. Where do those rank for me, the eggplants, pause if you have to? They're not my top 3. They would be in my top 10. I don't know about 5. I'd have to really think about it, but it wouldn't be that far out. But like I said, I've copped every year except for this 2024. 2009 when they dropped, I still remember that day vividly. That was a $700 day for me. Yeah, because I had to do something came up, I had to boom, and then I had to 190. Since that was probably like my second Foamposite ever, I didn't get the right size, so I sold, pause if you have to, I sold that pair, copped them again like a year or 2 later, and I just kept noticing. I'm like, damn, like why my shit look different than my man's that I sold them? I'm like, shit look different. The grooves were different, and that's what they were saying that they was bringing to the table with the 2024s. Then I started seeing it kind of like the story kind of like shifted a bit. They were just talking about how they came out in 2009, not that they was gonna have the prominent grooves or nothing like that. So yeah, that was that. But yeah, I can sit up here and say, yo, Nike, you need to listen to us, and these are the joints that we wanna, you know, yeah. But as long as they keep dropping like they did, yo, joints like these, like the OGs, are gonna sell out. Reverse hyena zebra, all that shit, nah, they ain't gonna sell out. That shit is sick. You know, nobody wants those. Nobody asks for that. Especially when you see little depictions of hyenas inside of a rhinoceros or hippopotamus eating the arse lining about that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Like, hell no. Shout out to anybody that copped these joints. I am hyped that they did sell out, just like the anthracites. Hell yeah, you know what I'm saying? Take that, Team Jordan. Nah, just playing. But yeah. Anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Don't forget, I still got to pick that winner for that $100 gift card. I'm gonna do that on my sneaker rotation. Got another one of those coming up. So anyway, follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter B.
Vambora! Chapa!
But that Snups. your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.